Welcome to the Introduction to Coordinate Systems. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of coordinate systems, which serve as the foundation for modern navigation and computer graphics. Coordinate systems are used in global positioning system, also known as GPS navigation, computer graphics, and digital mapping. So, what exactly is a coordinate system? A coordinate system is a method used to uniquely identify the position of any point in space using numerical values. Think of it as an address system for points. Just like every house has a unique address, every point in a coordinate system has a unique address too. Let's delve into the Cartesian plane, a fundamental two-dimensional coordinate system. It consists of two perpendicular axes, the x-axis, which is horizontal, and the y-axis, which is vertical. The point where these axes intersect is called the origin point, and it has the coordinates 0, 0. In a coordinate system, we use ordered pairs, written as x, y, to represent the position of a point. X represents the horizontal distance from the origin, and y represents the vertical distance from the origin. For example, the point 3, 3 indicates a location that is 3 units to the right and 3 units up from the origin. The Cartesian plane is divided into 4 regions known as quadrants. In quadrant 1, both x and y values are positive. In quadrant 2, x values are negative and y values are positive. In quadrant 3, both x and y values are negative. Finally, in quadrant 4, x values are positive and y values are negative. Let's practice plotting some points on the coordinate plane. Point A is at 4, 4, located in the first quadrant. Point B is at -4, 6, located in the second quadrant. Point C is at -5, -5, located in the third quadrant. And point D is at 5, -4, located in the fourth quadrant. Coordinate systems are used in a variety of real-world applications. For example, in global positioning system, also known as GPS navigation, latitude and longitude coordinates are used to pinpoint locations on Earth. In computer graphics, coordinate systems are used to position pixels and game objects. In digital mapping, geographic information systems, also known as GIS, rely on coordinate systems to represent and analyze spatial data. Coordinate systems are fundamental to programming and computer science. You can store coordinates using classes or tuples to represent points in your programs. You can perform mathematical operations on these coordinates, such as calculating distances, plotting graphs, and transforming coordinates. Here is an example Python code. We define a class called point with an x and y coordinate. Then we create 2 points, point A and point B, and print the coordinates of point A. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.